Please do like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Chubby. Please do subscribe, and today I'm gonna teach you how to prepare hand sanitizer at your home. As a PM has ordered lockdown for 21 days, it's better to stay at home rather than risking your life. You can also go out if it's important to bring anything essential, things like medicines, milk, grocery, etc. While going out, wear a surgical face mask and keep a sanitizer if you own one, or else I'm going to teach you how to prepare it at your home itself. So sanitizer is essential when you're outside and don't have anything to wash your hands. So the basic ingredients are